Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to register complaint for any product what you bought from this Atombug company. So each and every step I am going to share with you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. First of all, I am telling you this company, that is the Atombug company, is really good company, customer centric company, and they are selling the premium quality BLDC fan. So generally you cannot find any problem with this company's fan. So if you seldom faces any issue with this fan, what to do, how to lodge a complaint. So each and every step I will show you from the Atombug's official website. So first of all, we have to go to Atombug. You just write here Atombug or put the website, that is the www.atombug.com. So I'm just writing Atombug here. So this is the company's website. Directly you can click here, or there is a shortcut way. Just under this website you just click here support and warranty. You can see here this is some important tabs are there: quick fix, register warranty card, product warranty policy, register new complaint, track complaint, and products and service feedback. So these two tabs, register warranty card and register new complaint. So these two tabs are very important. Those are the Atombug customers. So they have already registered the warranty with this company. So this section already you have completed. So how to do that? Already made one video. So if you want to watch that video, so click on the I button and watch it. And already those who have registered the warranty card with this company and you are facing some problem with that item what you bought from this Atombug company, then you have to go to this tab, that is register new complaint. Information you have to give: select complaint category, customer name, star mark is given here, so it is important, phone number important, alternative number not important, email ID not important, complaint shipping address with landmark to assist you better, so this is very important, and pin code. Then after filling this up, you have to continue. I am choosing here, suppose, product defect. Okay, customer name you have to write here, customer name. Then phone number you have to give here. Relative number, there is no star mark, so you can avoid this one. Email ID you can avoid, or you can write here also complaint shipping address. So write here your complaint shipping address. Continue. So when this continue button you click, the barcode you have to give, barcode serial number. So from here you will get the barcode. Already you have purchased one product from the Atombug company, so you can get the barcode from 3 regions. So these are the 3 regions you can see here. So this is your from the serial number you will get from the motor, fans motor, or from the box, and from the warranty card. So from the 3 region you can access this one. So it is written here serial number, so 4F21A 2EDA 2040144. so this type of number, so this number keeps on changing, so for different motors, different items, but this type of number you have to put here. So barcode you have to put here. Okay, select product category. That means what type of fan model you have chosen here. So this is ceiling fan FECO. Select color, so this is the white. Select size 1200 millimeter, and date of purchase you have to write. So if you have purchased this one from online site, e-commerce site, then you have to write the product order date and select issue category. Issue category means not working, noise, speed variation, restart, remote sensor issue, purchase, hobbling, low air delivery, Renesha, so not working, suppose you are writing here. Then choose file, no file chosen, write here the problem elaborately and then submit. Okay, so when you submit here, so when you submit this button, so I'm not going to submit this one, already I have done this one, and company has sent me one new motor. I'm going to show you that one. So after submitting you will get one SMS, and if you put the email, so for SMS and email, for both the places you will get one confirmation messages. That is a ticket number. So one ticket number will be assigned. So with that ticket number, your whole problem will be resolved. One technician will call you after that day or same day of submitting the complaint, and they will assist you accordingly.
This is the box pack which is coming from the Atombug company, but this time this Atombug box pack is not like that, not similar what we get after buying some product from them. This is a not for sale, written for service purpose only. So according to my problem, my issue, the company has sent one motor. So that's why it is written not for sale. So we are going to open it and show you what is inside it. So this is one smaller box pack is there, which is from Atombug, and you can see no fan blades are there, only motor the company has sent according to my issue. So this is a new motor, and we will show you. It is written clearly on the box pack. You see here, only motor. For my case, the technician has confirmed that the problem with my previously installed fan, that is the problem in the motor. So that's why company has sent new motor for that. All the four sides of the box pack are as usual, and only there is a difference. It is written only motor on the back of the box pack. So we are going to show you what is inside it. So once again we have realized that the company is really customer centric company. They have sent this motor, a new motor, after lodging complaint with issues with the previous motor. And not only that, they have also sent with this motor the warranty card, So you can again register this warranty card. To fit the new motor, we have brought down the fan from the ceiling, and you can see here, this is the old ceiling fan with the fan blade and the new motor without fan blade. Because the problem is only for the motor, so company has sent the new motor only. Now fan blade has been opened from the old motor, and we have to replace the old one with a new motor. So you can see the new motor beside that. All accessories of the old fan will go to new motor, and this old motor, keep it aside. This will be picked up by the company after some days after conversation with you. Hanging this fan from the ceiling after installation of the new motor, and this can be done by Atombug technician, or if you can do yourself, do it, no problem with that. Only keep in your mind that this type of Atombug BLDC fan, when you connect, so you have to bypass the regulator. Then you get the great efficiency and performance from this fan, and it will last longer also. Now all set. Now we have to switch on it by the remote. You see, switching it on after replacement of the new motor. Okay, started working fine. Now we will increase the regulator mode to boost. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.